What started as a routine arrest escalated into a fierce struggle. Authorities say when the suspect resisted, Officer Jacob Hobson resorted to excessive force.
And despite the fact that Hobson never activated his body camera, an automatic feature kicked in, capturing a silent visual record of the arrest. KTLA 5's Shelby Nelson joins us live with more on what we're learning about the case. Hi, Shelby.
Hi, Sandy and Court. Yeah, really troubling. The Riverside County Sheriff's Department as well as the district attorney are both now investigating. Now, what authorities released today generally talks about that alleged use of force, but today we also obtained those court documents that go into troubling detail about what happened on July 23rd. He's 29-year-old Jacob Hobson, a Hemet police officer now placed on paid leave in an excessive force investigation. This is video Hemet PD posted to their Instagram on February 3rd, showing Hobson conducting a traffic stop. He's now facing 3 felony charges in the case of a brutal beating. According to a declaration in support of arrest warrant, Officer Hobson responded to a call behind this Shell gas station on Florida Avenue in Hemet the morning of July 23rd. He attempted to handcuff a woman wanted for a felony warrant. Court documents indicate that she resisted before Hobson allegedly tackled her and punched her twice. When that didn't work, he allegedly open hand struck her on the right side of her head before slamming her back to the ground, the victim collapsing before she was placed in Hobson's patrol vehicle. Court documents detailing that she suffered a fractured skull, brain bleeding, and a fractured wrist. She was airlifted to a hospital to undergo surgery. The Riverside County District Attorney filing charges against Hobson Thursday. 1 count of assault with force likely to cause great bodily injury and 2 counts of assault by a peace officer under color of authority. There's also sentencing enhancement allegations that the assault caused great bodily injury that led to a significant brain injury. Before law enforcement announced that he had turned himself in and was booked in Riverside, we knocked on his door. Of course, no answer. We tried talking to neighbors, one of them telling us this after we read her his charges.
How does that make you feel? Concerned and shocked.
Former police officer and law enforcement expert Tim Lynn says it's obvious that the DA believes they have enough evidence to make a case.
The next step after the officer surrenders himself will be a preliminary hearing. And at that point, the judge will make the determination if there's enough evidence to continue on to a full trial.
And we put in a request for that body cam footage. In the meantime, Hobson is set to be arraigned in Banning on Monday. The DA tells us that if he is convicted of all charges and sentenced consecutively, he could face a maximum of 12 years in prison. Reporting live from Lake Elsinore, I'm Shelby Nelson, KTLA 5 News.